Clicks fade. Memory sells. Clicks don't create customers, memory does. Most brands forget this truth, and it costs them. Most marketing disappears in 24 hours. Brands chase clicks, impressions, traffic spikes, but it all vanishes before people ever buy. Neuroscience shows 80% of what people see is forgotten within 48 hours. One-off ads don't stick. One viral post, gone in a day. The brain buys what it remembers. When the need returns, it chooses the brand it's seen the most, across time and channels. Repetition, relevance, emotion. These three things make the brain store memories instead of deleting them. Multiple exposures, multiple formats, consistency. Forgettable brands lose by default. Not because they're bad, but because they vanish from memory before the buying moment arrives. Here's the memory-first traffic blueprint. Capture intent with search-driven content. Create episodic presence through newsletters or videos. Borrow authority from trusted voices. Retarget intelligently with familiar branding. Accelerate with paid ads feeding the system. Clicks fade. Memory sells. The brands people remember are the brands people buy from? Start building your memory-first traffic system today. Own the buying moment before someone else does.